The second thing that you're going to want to do is basically the opposite of squeezing, which is spreading your fingers. So this one came in the same kit that I got. This is the lightest one. But if you want to go lighter, you can start just by spreading your fingers just without any resistance, just kind of doing that. And if that's where your body needs to be, then go ahead and go with that. You can also wrap a rubber band around your fingers, and that's going to give you less resistance than one of these. I did find that this was a little bit much when I had more inflammation going on with my tennis elbow, but at some point this worked really well and it was fine. Also be aware that the further up your fingers that this thing slides, the easier the resistance is going to be. And just because of the way it's designed, it's going to slide up your fingers a little bit anyway. So basically, you're just spreading your fingers, just kind of doing like a little pinchy claw and just in and out with the fingers. And on this one, the magic number is 30. You can break it up any way you want. You can do 3 sets of 10, you can do 2 sets of 15, you can do 1 set of 30. Or any combination in between that. So give this a try and let me know what you think. I hope this information has been useful to you. Go ahead and drop a comment below. Let me know how you liked it. And while you're at it, hit the like, subscribe, notification buttons so that you stay updated every time that I drop a new video or want to teach you a new exercise.